I think the value of being local means that we're only a phone call away. We can respond quickly. It's very difficult when we've got out of town coming in, door knocking, trying to sell cheap solar. It sounds like such a great value, but in the end it costs more when the system's failing and there's no backup. There's thousands of systems out there that have failed and that have no company to back them anymore, and we get the phone calls to come and help. We gladly go out and help, but there's not a lot we can do when the system needs replacing. So having a local company that's been around to back you up gives value add for the long term. So having that relationship that we build with our customers, we see it as a long-term relationship so that we can keep in contact and help them. They get to have a local team that's coming out that they know they're going to do a great job, and we're just a phone call away, or they can drop into our shop, ask questions. Often after the installation there'll be a question about monitoring, understanding a little bit more about the system. Even though we've explained what we can on the day, there's always going to be one or two more questions that we're happy to field and talk through. Definitely with solar power, you want to do it once and you want to be able to know that it's done well, and you forget about it. It's going to be up there, it's quiet, it's producing power. In fact, it's one of those investments that you can sit back and go, this is a great choice. It's just doing its job day after day for year after year, and it's producing energy. So reducing those bills down by at least half. It's one of the greatest investments. All the other things that we spend our money on, we're putting money into it and it's depreciating in value. This is one of those areas of life where you can put the money on your rooftop and know that it's saving you more money every year, year on year. Superior workmanship along with quality panels means that we can actually provide a great solution and know that we're happy that when we walk away, we've done the right job and offered the best products and services to our customers.